Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss problem from the weekly contest 205. So the problem title is replace all the question marks to avoid the consecutive repeating characters. So initially we are given a string s as an input which contains the lowercase English letters and the question mark character as well. So what we have to do is we have to convert all the question mark characters into the alphabets ranging from A to Z in a such a way that after replacing that character, it should not form, that string should not form the repeating consecutive characters. Okay, so take an example 1. So here the question mark ZS is the string, so we can replace this question mark by the characters A to Z but not with the Z, because A to I but not with the Z, because Z, if we replace the question mark with the Z, so Z and the next character is also Z, so it will form the repeating consecutive characters. So that's why this is not a valid test case. Okay, so that's the whole idea over here. So now let's take a look into the code. So here I have created the alphabets character array from A to Z. Then I am passing the S as it is to my string builder, because I am going to perform the replace operation. So that's why I have created a string builder. Then I am iterating through this entire string, and for each of the character I check if it is a question mark. If it is not, then I can simply move to the next character. But if it is a question mark, so there are three cases. Let's take the middle case first. So if the index of the ith position for the question mark, it is ranging in between like 1 to n minus 1, that is the length of the string. So okay, so if it is the case, then what I have to do is I have to simply check the I minus 1 character and I plus 1 character, and accordingly I can update the ith character. Okay, but if it is not the case, if we detect the question mark on the very first index, and again there are two cases. If the string has length only 1, so in that case we don't need to check for the next character, that is I plus 1 character. We don't need to consider, we can simply update the current character because the length of the string is only 1. But if it is not the case, then in that case we have to check the I plus 1 character, and we have to update the ith character accordingly. Okay, so that should not be same one with the I plus 1. Now coming to the last case, that is a ending case. If we detect the question mark on the last character of the string, then we have to check the I minus 1 character should not be matching, because I plus 1 there will be no character. So that's the whole idea over here. If you run this program, so it will accept the solution will be accepted, and it will cover all the test cases on the lead code. So it has covered all the 100 test cases, so you can refer to this solution. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.